Power BI is software created by Microsoft. It helps individuals to get a better idea of data by transforming it into easy-to-see colorful graphs, charts, and dashboards. Rather than viewing cluttered numbers and tables, Power BI helps one to view graphics easily. Why you should learn Power BI? Learning Power BI is beneficial to anyone who has to work with data, whether you're a student, teacher, business owner, or even a coach for a sports team. Nowadays, nearly every career uses some form of data. Power BI assists you to spot patterns and trends, make better choices, automate reports to save time. Tell others about what you have learned in a nutshell. For instance, a student could use Power BI to track student grades. A store manager could use it to view what is selling the most. Key features of Power BI. 1. Begin early. Power BI is easy to get started with. You can sign up for free and view your data instantly. No complicated software to install and hours of training needed. 2. Use information from anywhere. Your information can be saved in Excel spreadsheets, databases, websites, or cloud storage such as OneDrive or Google Drive. 3. Fix problems right away. Power BI employs real-time dashboards. What it means is you can see at once when anything happens, sales declining or acquiring a new client. 4. Content packs. Power BI has something called content packs. These are pre-tuned collections of data sources, reports, and dashboards that let you start quickly with a particular service. 5. Print dashboards. You might also want a hard copy of your reports for meeting or for class presentations. Power BI enables you to print your dashboard so that you can present your results in person. 6. Phrase questions in your own words. One of the most user-friendly things about Power BI is that you can type something like, "What were my best-selling products last year?" and Power BI will give you an answer in chart or graph form. 7. Customized graphs and charts. Each user or business is unique. Power BI lets you utilize various chart, map, and visual types that best suit your data. You can even download other users' newly created visual types. 8. DAX, a robust formula language. Power BI uses a formula language called DAX, Data Analysis Expressions. It contains more than 200 built-in functions for advanced calculations. 9. Access data easily. Power BI Desktop can retrieve data from a lot of locations, whether data resides on your machine or in the cloud. 10. Stay in touch while traveling. You don't need to be sitting at your desk to view your data. Power BI supports Android phone apps, iPhone apps, and Windows apps. You can view reports, get alerts, and make decisions remotely. 11. Integrate Power BI with other software. If you are a programmer, you can use something called an API, Application Programming Interface, to link Power BI to your website or existing application. This allows businesses to integrate Power BI capabilities into the existing applications. Conclusion: Power BI is a powerful tool that simplifies data analysis and visualization. Its ease of use and real-time data make it ideal for both professionals and students. To excel in Power BI and advance your career through passing the Power BI exam and get certification, look for top-rated courses by iCertGlobal.